Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial. So here today I'm facing one of the issue, that is module not found can't resolve emotion styled in this one. So to solve this issue, what we have to do, we have to install this package npm I install react emotion styled. Okay, by using this you need to enter this, and it will install the node modules. Okay, now we have to add this and run the project, and we have to check the issue is replicating or not. Let's see. And compiling the code, you can see that the code is working now, the issue is resolved. Okay, and there is no issue right now, and we can see that the project is also working on it. You can reload this project is working, and this will also resolved. So this is how we can solve this issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.